चलिए हाय एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। टुडे विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर 2025 to 26 for intermediate of science. That means मॉडल पेपर क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉर आईएससी साइंस सब्जेक्ट। साइंस के अंदर भी आपका मैथ। ठीक है, अब देखते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे कि आपका किसमें हम लोग देखने वाले हैं मैथमेटिक्स पोर्शंस 30 एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस को। बाकी हम लोग पैटर्न को जानते ही हैं। पैटर्न क्या होता है क्वेश्चन का आपका 30 एमसीक्यू, टोटल 52 क्वेश्चंस, 30 एमसीक्यू, 31 to 38। ठीक है, एनी 6 आंसर, 39 to 46, एनी 6 आंसर, 47 to 52, एनी 4 आंसर। राइट, 5 marks each, into 5 into 3 into 2 into 1, that means 30, 12, 18 प्लस 20 इक्वल टू 80 मार्क्स। ठीक है, 80 मार्क्स का एग्जाम होता है। तो हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज 1. A relation R in a set A is said to be equivalence. In relation R on a set is said to be equivalence relation if and only if equivalence relation, that means relation will be satisfied only reflexive, symmetric, transitive. These three relations satisfy, then it is said to be equivalence relation. That means the answer is option number D. Question number 2. First and 3. These three questions set and relation and function chapters. A function real to real, fx equal to 4x plus 3, find inverse of the function. First, inverse of the function, that means function 1 1 and on 2. If the function is f inverse exists, then function satisfy both condition 1 1 and on 2. But this question only have find f inverse. So first about fx is just written y equal to 4x plus 3. Just like y equivalence in term of 4x plus 3, just in converting into x equivalence of y. That means 4x equal to y minus 3, x equal to y minus 3, and this x we replaced by f inverse x divided by 4. This is only 4. Now finally f inverse x equal to, and also x replaced by y and y replaced by x minus 3 by 4 is a correct answer. That means f inverse equal to x minus 3 by 4. That means your answer is first is correct. Question number 3. Chapter name relation and function, composition of function. A function real over real, fx equal to x square plus 2. You find f of f. Find f over f of x. This function find over f of x. F over f of x. F of x. Just like function over f of x, that means you retain x square plus 2 in term of x. This equal to x square plus 2 whole square plus 2, x to power 4 plus 2x square plus 2x square plus 4 plus 2, that means x to power 4 plus 2x square plus 6. Where is your option? X square to power 4, x to power 4, 6x square plus 6. Option number A is correct. Option number 4. Inverse trigonometric function. Cosec inverse x, sec inverse x equal to pi by 2. Just like sin inverse x, cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x, cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. In case of mod of x greater or equal to 1. Question number 5. Cot inverse equal to minus 1 by 5 equal to x. Find the value of sin x. You can change minus 1 by 5 equal to cot x, or cot x equal to base by perpendicular. That means we have to find hypotenuse under root 5 per square plus under root minus 1 per square. That means s equal to root 26, and sin inverse equal to sin x equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular value is 5 by under root 26 is the correct answer. Option number B. Now we will discuss question number 6. A is a square matrix. B is said to be symmetric. If a matrix is symmetric, then it can follow B equal to transpose of P. If the matrix is skew symmetric, then it will be follow B equal to B transpose equal to minus B, or B equal to minus B transpose. But this question has symmetric matrix, that means B equal to B transpose. A, B are two matrices, then inverse of A inverse B. A inverse B can be written this equal to B inverse A. Just similarly, A, B, C whole inverse equal to this cyclic order. Suppose this position has A, B, A to B, B to A, cyclic. Thus equal to A, B, C. That B, C, A inverse, B inverse, C inverse, and also write C inverse, A inverse, B inverse. That means repetition. Suppose this position has A, B, C, A to B, B to C, C to A, B to C, C to A, C to B, just like cyclic order. So your answer will be option number B. Option number first is a correct answer. Question number 8. Determinant of x to 18x, then x equal to determinant value, that means x into x minus 18 into 2 equal to 0. That means x square equal to 36 equal to 0. That will be value x equal to under root 36 plus minus 36. That means the answer is plus minus 6 is a correct answer. Question number 9. 2 0 0 0 3 0 0 0. Determinant of this. This is a scalar matrix. Determinant is a product of diagonal element. That means 2 into 3 into 8. 8 3 is 24, 24 to 48. 48 is a correct answer. Question number 10. Function f(x) equal to 2x minus 1, x less than 0, 2x plus 1, x greater or equal to 0. Discontinuous at x. Then determine value is 0. That means first we check about 0 left hand limit or left hand limit and right hand limit. First you take left hand limit, LH limit, left hand limit. You have limit x tend to 0, 2x minus 1 equal to minus 1. In replace x as a 0, and right hand limit is limit x tending to 0, 2x plus 1. That means value will be 1. LH limit can't equal to RH limit. So first upon 0 is a discontinuous point. Question number 11. Fx equal to x to power 3 by 2 f dash x 0 in x equal to 0. First, upon single times derivation, the single time derivation is f dash x equal to 3 by 2 x to power 3 by 2 minus 1. That means 3 by 2 x to power 1 by 2. This is f dash x. Now we replace x equal to 0. That means f dash 0 equal to 3 by 2 0 whole to power 1 by 2. 0 power to n definite n, that means 0. 0 into 3 by 2 is also 0. Your option will be, your option question is 3 by 2, that means under root 1 by 2. None of this. Option is none of these. And question number 12. Question number 12 is question number 12. Question number 12 is find the least value of k for which function fx equal to x square plus kx plus 1 is increasing on that interval 1 and 2. First we have find to increasing, that means first derivative of given function, that means f dash x equal to x square derivative is 2x plus k is a constant and x derivative is all 1, k into 1, that means k into 1 plus constant derivation is 0. And for increasing order we have to find to order, that means we equate derivative term as a 0. This equal to 2x plus k, that means x equal to minus k by 2. Now we check interval value 1 2 at x equal to 1, at x equal to 1, then value of k will be, k will be, value of k will be minus 2, k will be value of 1, k will be minus 1 by 2. In question you have written least value, that means we find first least position value, that means 1, k answer will be minus 2, that means minus 2 is the correct answer. Now question number 13, find the slope of the curve at that point. Slope of the curve, that means first term derivative. We have find first term derivative, that means 2x, that means 2x, that means 2x plus 2y and y derivative equal to 0 at the point 1 comma root 3, that means this one is x and this one is y. 2 into 1 plus 2 into root 3 y dash equal to 0, that means y dash equal to, that means y dash equal to minus sign 2 by 2 root 3, that means 2 2 is cancel out, y dash equal to your value is 1 by root 3. Your option is 1 by root 3 is a correct, option number 1 is a correct answer. Now integrations questions. Question number 14 is questions number 14. Question number 14 is question of 14 importance question and also VBI many times repeated questions. Question number 14, under root dx by sin square x into cos square x. You have now trigonometric identity formula 1 equal to sin square x plus cos square x. First we have it can be write sin square x plus cos square x divide sin square x into cos square x dx. First we divide sin square by sin square x cos square x. We have obtained 1 by cos square x, and also cos square divided by 1 by sin cos, then it can be obtained 1 by sin square x. This is also 1 by cos is sec square x, and 1 by cosec sin is cosec square x. Sec square x integration value is 10x minus cosec square is cot x minus cot x plus integration constant c. That means your value is 10 minus cot x plus c is a correct answer. Again calculative questions. Again question number 16 is also calculative questions. So first we can erase and question number 15. Logarithmic function is also used in these questions. 1 by x plus root x dx is equal to, that means under root x root x. First we have to find common in lowest form, lowest term, x to power 1 x to power half. That means lowest is x to power half is also common. That means in have root x plus 1 dx. First we can put root x plus 1 as a t. That means 1 by 2 root x equal to dt, equal to dt. dt 1 by root x dt, but the question not have 1 by root 2. That means we have applied 2 into 1 and 2 also divide. That means your question change in 2 in also place and dt by t. That means your answer is change 2 log dt by t. 1 by t is log t plus c. That means 2 log in t place root 2 root x plus 1 plus c. That means the answer plus c. That means the answer 2 log 1 plus root x plus c. That means option number B is a correct. Option number B is a correct. Right? Now question number 16. Question number 16 is now question number 16. Question number 16 is cos 2x plus 2 cosec square x divide cos square x equal to what? Equal to what? That means first we can change 2 cosec square that means your question is cos 4x plus 2 cos square x. So first we change cos 2x, this equals also right, divide first we can divide cos square x 1 cos 2x also can be write 1 minus 2 sin square x, and this plus is also cos square x. Okay. This can be right cos 2x also can be right 1 plus cos 2x also right. Next second, 1 second, you have erase this. Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. That means you have write 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 2 cos square x. This equal to 2 to 4 cos square x minus 1 whole divided by cos square x. this equal to 4 minus 1 by cos square x equal to 4 minus sec square x, and also integrations. 4 integration is 4x and sec square is 10x plus c. But you can't have any option. But you can't have any option. That means question is error. Question has error. Question has error. But same questions, this question has error. Question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17 is question number 17. 17 is also some error. Question number 17. This is not x. This is on pi by 2. Right? First, this fraction now will be let I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 sin x divide 4 plus 3 cos x. Now it can be changed I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 sin pi by 2 minus x divide 4 plus 3 cos pi by 2 minus x. This I equal to under root 0 to pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 cos x divide 4 plus 3 sin x. This one now adding 1 and 2, that means 2I equal to under root integration 0 to pi by 2 log, and this term add, that means 4 plus 3 sin x divide 4 minus 3 4 plus 3 cos x also plus log 4 plus 3 cos x divide 4 plus 3 sin x. And also you have now log m plus log n equal to log m into n. Now this is right, 2x equal to under 0 to pi by 2 log. Is this log fraction in single term we have multiplied. That means numerator and denominator also cancel out in diagonally. That means it can be 1. A log 1 0 is 0. That means I equal to 0 by 2 is 0. Right? This answer will be 0. 0 is a correct answer. Now question number 18. 0 is a correct answer. Right? 0 is a correct answer. Question number 18. Question number 19. Question number 19 is now question number 19. Integration of 0 to 1 by 2 dx by under root 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. 0 to 1 by 2 integration under root 1 minus x square. This integration is also differential or derivative of sin inverse x equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square. That means just opposite. This equal to sin inverse x by 1, upper limit 1 by 2, lower limit 0. That means sin inverse value is 1 by 2. Sin inverse value is 1 by 2. Sin inverse value 1 by 2. that means sine inverse. Also write sine pi by 6, 30 degree, sine 31 by 2, this will be pi by 6 is your answer. Pi by 6 is the correct answer. Now easy questions. Questions number order and degree. Question number 20, order and degree. Question number 20, order degree of the differential equations. Order degree. Order is highest derivative of the differential equation and degree is the power of exponent of highest order. So highest order is 4, fourth order, and highest power is 1. That means 4 comma 1. 21. Integrating factor of the differential equation. Integrating factor, that means dy by dx plus py into py f of x. This is also f of x. Y p value is sec x. That means integrating factor is integration e to power p dx. So integrating factor, this is not integration sign, e to power sec x into dx, sec log 10x. Integration of sec square x is log 10x. This is equal to 10x is the correct answer. You have sorry, sec x integration is 10x plus 10x plus sec x, 10x plus sec x. That means the answer is 10x plus sec x. First option is correct. Question number 22. Now question will be 22, vector and 3D. Vector and coordinate geometry 2D 3D. A equal to this and B equal to this vector. Find the projection A on B, that means A B dot product and magnitude of B. A B dot product, that means corresponding parts product, that means 2 into 2, coefficient of I cap 1 and 2, 2 plus 3 to the 6 plus 2k. K, that means coefficient is also 1, that means also 2. And second part, modulus of B, that means 1 square, 2 square and also 1 square. 2 4 8 2 6 4 10 divide under root 2 square 4 5 6 6. Your answer is 10 by root 6. 10 by root 6 is a correct answer. Now question number 23. A equal to 5 I cap 7 j cap minus 3 k cap. B equal to 2 I 3 j cap. Find value of A minus B. Just like subtraction of vector, that means corresponding position has subtraction. 5 minus 2 3. This is 3. Okay, correct. And 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Your answer is 7 plus 3. That means 10. We also have 10. And minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1. That is minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2 also is minus 2. That is minus 2. Option number B is correct. 24 number. Vector A, magnitude of vector A equal to 1 and magnitude of vector B equal to 2. AB dot product 1. Find the angle between A and B. That's we have now dot product of vector A vector dot vector B equal to magnitude of vector A magnitude of vector B into cos theta. A dot product B value is also 1 and magnitude of A 1, magnitude of B is 2 and cos theta. that means cos theta equal to 1 by 2. That means this value is cos 60 degree. Cos 60, that means pi by 3. Your answer is pi by 3. Now question number 25. Question number 25 is question number 25. Question number 25 is question number 25. Direction cosine of the vector. Direction cosine, that means x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. First value x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. X-axis direction cosine, that means 1 by under root modulus of direction cosine 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is equal to 1 by under root 3 square 9, 9 of 4, 13 or 1, 14, root 14. Also in j cap y direction 2 by under root 14 and k cap 3 by under root 14. That means 1, 2, 3, option number C is a correct. 26 number. A line makes equal angle with the axis. Find direction cosine. A line with equal angle, that means x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. X-axis, y-axis and this one is z-axis. Equal angle. All angle are equal. That means theta, this also theta, this also theta. And direction cosine is L, M, N. Direction ratio is L, M, N. L, M, N. And direction cosine, find the direction cosine. That means L equal to cos theta, M equal to cos theta, N equal to cos theta. Cos theta. A line equal angle. All angles are equal. That means all angles are equal. All angles are equal. All angles are equal. That means your value is direction cosine is also all angles are equal. That means also 1 1. Suppose that both theta equal to 0 degree. That means also 1 1 1. Also 1 1 1. That means L value is 1, M is 1, Z is also 1. That means your direction cosine is and under root 1 by under root 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Your option is D is a correct. D is a correct. Option D is a correct. Right, option D is a correct. That means you have also now you have a condition. Again method use. In this question we have written make equal angle with axis. All angle equal. That means L equal to M equal to N. You have two condition in the direction cosine. L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. That means you have L, M, N is both are equal. That means it can be write L square plus L square plus L square equal to 1. That means 3L square equal to 1. That means L equal to plus minus under root 1 by 3. Also write L equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. That means L का value plus minus 1 by root 3 and L also equal to M and also equal to N. That means both three value are equal. Option number C is option number D is correct. Now option number questions number 27. Last third questions. Question number 27. Question number 27 is find the vector equation if the line passing through point -3, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6. Find the vector equation of the line passing through this point. Vector equations. Vector equation form is that means point first a1 I cap, b1 j cap, c1 k cap plus lambda a2 minus a1 I cap plus b2 minus b1 j cap plus c2 minus c1 k cap. ABC, that means minus 1 I cap, 0 j cap and 2 k cap. देखिए options is B, I minus I j cap. Option number B is also wrong. Option number B is also wrong. Option number D is correct. Option number D is correct. Minus I plus 2k, that means 0 j cap, also position 0. 3 minus 1, 3 minus minus 1, that means 4. 4 I cap, 4 minus 0 j cap, 6 minus 2 4 cap. But this question has also wrong. This option is also wrong because this vector positions is wrong. 4 minus 0 is plus 4. So we have plus 4, option number C. 4i 4j 4k. Option number C is correct. Minus I plus 2k lambda 4ik plus jk plus 4k. Now question number second last 28 number. 28 number is r equal to minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k, lambda equal to 2i 4j plus 2k. Then the Cartesian form of the equation. Cartesian form. This is vector form of the equation, and also Cartesian form is x minus a1 by position vector b1 equal to y minus b1 y minus b, not b1 b2. This replace x minus a by b1 equal to x minus b by b2 equal to x minus c by b3. This equal to x minus a, that means a value is minus 3, x minus minus 3 by b1 value is 2, just equal to sorry, this position is y and third position is z. Y minus b position is 5, y minus 5 by second vector position v, and z minus c, z minus minus 6 by 2. That means your answer is x plus 3 by 2 equal to y minus 5 by 4 equal to z plus 6 by 2. X plus 3 by 2, y minus 5 by 2, z plus 6 by 2. Option number B is correct. Now 29 number questions. A card is drawn pack of 52 card. Pack of 52 card. What is the probability of getting king black card? King black card. That means a card, single card drawn. That means 52 C1. And what is the probability getting king of black? That means king card is 4. 4, that means 2 red plus black. Red is 2 and black is also 2. That means 2C1. Your answer is 2 by 52. Your answer is 1 by 26. 26 is a correct answer. And question number 13. A die is thrown once. A die is thrown once. Then find the probability of getting number is greater than 3. In a dice has number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Your number is greater than 3. Number is greater than 3. The number is क्या greater than 3. That means your number is 4, 5, 6. That means favorable outcome 3 and total possible outcome 6. This your answer is 1 by 2. Option number 1 is a correct. That this 30 question is MCQ. 30 MCQ question is I have discussed each questions. And now section B, section C and section D, 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks questions. This is discussion in next session. Part 1 is a MCQ and part 2 is a sectional B and third part sectional C and also solve question section D. Be continue and join Telegram channel to download this PDF. Thank you so much.